What it do, what it was, what it has been. It's your girl Q. Y'all miss me? Cause I miss y'all. I haven't done my hair. And I feel like I'm new here, but I'm not. Oh, great heavens! I did not mean to scare y'all like that. I probably should have a trigger warning or something before that because that was a lie. I apologize. But I'm showing y'all my braid pattern. I left a little bit more out around my edges, just a teensy width so that I could cover my tracks a bit more. And here's my leave out. And yeah, shout out my mother for braiding my hair because I don't know how to cornrow. That's a goal of mine, 2022. Learn how to cornrow your own head. Rewatching this, I look utterly and truthfully insane. But I swear, just trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. Damn. Basically, I'm sectioning off or like parting my edges away from my braids because I'm about to use this lace jelly by Bold Hold. I seen this lady, I'm gonna tag her below, but I seen this lady and she used Bold Hold liquid gold under the cap and said that don't make it sweat proof. So I don't have liquid gold, but I have lace jelly. So we about to test this theory, but maybe not test the theory because I don't even have what she has. But anyway, you know, we're just gonna try it out. So I am basically going to put this lace jelly everywhere you see a cornrow, a braid, a plait, anything that is not leave out. I'm putting that lace jelly on it, baby. Okay. Look at me using my fucking hands like a hooligan. I did not use no dye brush. I really thought I had some class and some decorum, but I don't. I use my hands to put the lace jelly all over my cornrows, but it got done. And then I just put the blow dryer on just for a little quick 5 minutes, not too long, so my hair was still a little bit damp. And then I went ahead and put not one, but two wig caps on my head. I don't know what 2 caps is supposed to do, but I seen somebody else do it, and hers came out nice. And I just wanted to see if there was any difference. So this is me testing that theory. So now the second layer of this protection package is going to be that bonder on top of the wig cap, just like you do normally. But you have that extra layer of that lace jelly that's covering your head from the glue. I'm using the same cheap ass Kiss white eyeliner pencil that I used in the last video. Just to define my leave out and my edges so that I don't glue over it and have this Quickweave looking a quick ass mess. So I sat under the dryer with these layers on my head for about 15 minutes just so I could harden. I could have a nice sturdy base for my tracks to lay down. No glue get in my hair. Yes, I'm eating Cheetos. Mind your business. Like, doing your hair is a lie. So I needed a little snacky snack in between. Y'all know I can't pronounce this brand. Organique, whatever. I'm using their Blowout straight 4-piece little hair set. I'm using the 14th, 16th, 18th length. I'm using the 18th in the back, and then I'm just gonna go higher up my head, lower in length. I'm not using that closure because I don't know how y'all be making them look nice, and y'all be doing a good job, but I can't make that look nice. And I'm just showing y'all the hair fresh out the package. These are the size of the bundles. It's the 18 that I'm showing y'all right now. I love this texture. I found that it was closer to my hair texture when it's straightened, so it looked a lot more seamless this go around. In comparison to my last Quickweave video, this part of the process is basically the same thing. The only thing that I did differently this time was spacing my tracks out a lot more just so that my head wasn't heavy from all the bundles that I had put in that last one. Ciao. But anyway, I put a lot more spaces in the back. Look at how tug and snug that is. Y'all, it really takes 2 seconds for that glue to dry. Like, they was not playing with that label in the front. They really meant 30 milliseconds. So once you get that optimal tackiness of the glue, it's going to be so secure, honey. So secure. But yeah, the rest of this video is just me measuring, cutting, applying the glue, applying it to my head, pressing, and blow drying. And that's all it is to a Quickweave, for real. There's such an easy style. I kept this clip in here because what? Yo, my ring light fell on my head, but I was not finna stop. What? I just now got to the point where I'm using a second bundle on my head. This is the 16 inch. Look at how far I done got with that 18. Halfway through my head. But yeah, I'm going to do the same process with this 16 until I get to the tip top of my head. And then I'm going to cut my leave out just so that when I'm getting closer to that part, I can actually see it and not glue over it and mess up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when I am cutting, I don't cut the entire cap off because as you can see, I'm not quite finished gluing my tracks around. So I keep that little band in the front just so that the cap is still nice and tight to my head while I'm gluing the tracks down and it's not shifting and acting crazy. But I will cut the entire cap off once I'm finally done laying the tracks down. And I finished gluing down my tracks. Yes, I did. So now I'm going in and I am cutting the rest of that cap off, as I said before, making sure that I got, you know, to the tip top of that cap as much as I could. I put it down and I'm just cutting away all that excess. Now that all that cap is cut the fuck off, I'm done. The hard part, I should say, I'm done the hard part. But look at how it's laying, look at how it's sitting, look, it's giving y'all flat Stanley. And yeah, let's get into laying this leave out. I go through my hair, I comb out the section that I had braided up for my leave out, then I go in with my old faithful, my Dr. Miracle's Acai thermal protector. I put that all over my leave out, making sure I don't have no heat damage from this little style. Now I'm going in with my handy dandy Kiss blow dryer. The key to a perfect blowout, silk press, whatever you want to call it, is a good blow dry. That's what all the girlies say on Instagram. I don't know, but I'm taking their word for it. So I'm trying to get my hair as straight as possible with this blow dryer. Then I'm going to section off my hair smack dab in the middle because I want to do a middle part. Once I finish doing that, I go ahead and take some Nairobi hair mousse and I apply that on both sides of my leave out, and then I put these black strips on my hair. You know the little black strips they be using for the frontals and the shortcuts and stuff like that? I'm using that to lay my hair down. I'm going to sit under the dryer for 5 minutes. I only sit under the dryer for 5 minutes. Ding ding ding, and when that timer is up, honey, I go in with my REMI Wax Stick and I apply that to each section that I'm flat ironing. So I basically divide my hair into 4 sections, and then I kind of divide it in like 3 more smaller sections when I flat iron, just because I don't like flat iron big chunks. I feel like my hair just don't be getting straight enough when I do big chunks, so the smaller the better. And I go ahead and flat iron, do the same exact process on the other side of my hair. But look at my face. That was the moment I knew this was gonna be cute as fuck. I was so excited. I could not wait to do the other side of my head. Like, what? But yeah, now I'm going in with my flat iron and just fixing up the front, you know, because like you could kind of see my hair poking out just a little bit. So I'm flat ironing away from my face to kind of blend my hair in a little more. But this right here, this is the final look, baby. I didn't put anything on my edges or anything just because I don't want that much product on my hair. I want it to look very natural. And you can't tell me this is not my motherfucking hair. What? This hair came out my scalp. This is my hair. But if you like my video, remember to like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your homie, tell your daddy, tell your mother about my channel. Thank you.